Hey guys, so I do look a little weird right now. I just have my eyebrows on. I haven't done I haven't done my eyes. I've done everything but my eyes and my lips. So I look a little weird because I feel like powerful brows without your eyes done looks a little strange, but that's okay. This is the intro. So I'm going to show y'all how I do my brows. It's kind of like a DIY brow pomade sort of video that accidentally become my favorite way to do my eyebrows. So if you want to see how I do it, then please keep watching. Okay, I'm going to show y'all a DIY eyebrow pomade type of thing. It's not necessarily a pomade, but I discovered this whenever I lost my eyebrow pencil and was desperately in need to fill my eyebrows in. So first, what I did was I found a neutral tone, like a taupey color eyeshadow, and it's actually in the Tarte's Pro palette. It's this shade here. It's called Indie. And I just have this Milani brow spoolie with the brush on the other end. Okay, and what I do is I will brush my brow hairs up. And then with any kind of facial mist, setting spray, anything like that, facial spray by Mario Badescu, and I'm just gonna put a little spritz there on the back of my hand. I want to get some of the eyeshadow on the brush and put it here on that facial spray just to kind of dampen it until you get something that looks kind of like this. And I'm just going to line underneath my brow. So I'm just going to underline the bottom there. Then I'll brush the hairs down and line the top. And I'm just going to stay where my natural hairs grow, like the natural shape of my brow. But if you don't like the natural shape of your brow, then feel free to change that. And after that, I just kind of go back and kind of blend that out towards the front. And take it more of that, I'm just going to fill in the rest of my eyebrows. Then once you have it filled in the way that you like it, I normally just go in with a concealer on the back of my hand in some type of flat shader brush. And I will just coat both sides of the brush in the concealer so that it's easier for me to line around my eyebrow without having to dip back in it. So first, I'm going to brush my brows exactly how I want them to be placed. Then I'm going to go, see me? Then I'm going to go just like this. Oh no, that's not the right concealer. That's wonderful. Okay, that concealer's dark. I grabbed the wrong shade. We're gonna make it work. Actually, no we're not. Okay, just kidding guys. We're gonna go back over with something a little bit lighter so that I don't look crazy. Then we're gonna line the underneath part. Then I just take my brush and kind of flick upward a little bit to blend that out. Then with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to pat that in without touching my eyebrow too much. And I did say this is the way that I did my brows whenever I lost my pencil, but I ended up liking it a lot more. It's a lot more of like a clean cut brow. I guess because the brush is so precise. I'm going to do my other brow and I'll be right back. Okay, now my brows are done. And so what I like to do is, normally I like to have the inner portion of my brows a little lighter, like in color than the rest, just so that it looks more natural. So what you can do is just take your beauty blender or whatever you use for your foundation and just kind of dab right there on the inside, just to kind of be sure it's going to be lighter. Then I'm just going to rebrush those. And you can use a clear brow gel or even hairspray on the end of your spoolie and just brush through those to keep them in place all day. I know this was a short video, but you could also, like if you're using a pencil, I have a pencil here with me in this room and it is too dark, but you would just do the same, line underneath, line on top, and then just kind of feel through. But I feel like with the pencil, it's harder to get the natural hair-like strokes inside the brow because usually pencils are a bit larger, as this one is, and it just makes big streaks versus hair-like streaks that I can do with the brush. I thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye y'all.